A herring gull died in less than 24 hours after a man kicked it multiple times at Mousehole Harbour in the United Kingdom. According to Mousehole Wild Bird Hospital, the bird was badly injured when found and struggled to stand. In an update to its Facebook page, the rescue center said, "We were shocked and saddened to have admitted what was a perfectly healthy adult herring gull after it was kicked repeatedly by a member of the public for knocking an ice cream from the hands of a child in Mousehole Harbour." The bird was described as perfectly healthy before the incident and may be leaving behind chicks, Cornwall Live reported. The update continued, in the UK, herring gulls are listed as a species of conservation priority and have been on the red list since 2015 owing to population declines of over 50% in the last 25 years. They may seem abundant, but as they decline in their natural habitat and move into ours, they simply appear more common as we see them more frequently. They also added that injuring or killing a seagull is an offense and pleaded that locals should respect local wildlife.